What's up everyone? Welcome back to Make Money with Sean. Today, I'm about to share something that could change your life. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made money, all while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's called passive income, and it's one of the smartest ways to build financial freedom. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 proven passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're real sustainable strategies that, with a little effort up front, can bring you income over and over again. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. Alright, before we jump into the ideas, let's quickly talk about what passive income actually means. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it after the initial setup. Think of it like planting seeds. You put in the work up front, creating a product, building a system, or investing, and then you reap the rewards for months or even years to come. Here's the catch. It's not completely hands-off. You'll need to set it up and sometimes you'll tweak or manage it, but compared to a 9-to-5 grind, it's a game changer. Alright, let's get into the first idea. First up is one of my favorite ways to earn while you sleep: selling digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, templates, think resumes, PowerPoint presentations, social media graphics, online courses, printables, calendars, to-do lists, or budget trackers. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, upload them to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable, and they're available for anyone to buy 24/7. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're really good at budgeting. You create a simple but effective monthly budget tracker in Canva. You upload it to Etsy, price it at $10, and boom, every time someone buys it, you get paid. And here's the best part, the delivery is automatic. You're not printing, shipping, or emailing anything. A quick tip: research what's trending in your niche. Head over to Etsy or Gumroad and see what's selling well. Don't copy, but put your own twist on it. And remember, tools like Canva make it super easy even if you're not a designer. So, what's stopping you? Create that product and start selling. Let's move on to idea number 2, affiliate marketing. This is one of the simplest and most scalable ways to earn passive income online. Here's how it works. You recommend products or services to others using a unique affiliate link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Let me break it down further. Sign up for affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a great starting point because they offer a huge range of products. Other good options include ClickBank, Share a Sale, or even specific company programs. Promote the products authentically. If you're a content creator, you can do this in blog posts, YouTube videos, or TikToks. Earn commissions for every sale or action. Here's an example. Say you love tech gadgets. You could create a YouTube channel reviewing headphones, cameras, or laptops. In the description of your video, you include your affiliate links. When someone buys the product you reviewed, you get a cut of the sale. Pro tip: always promote products you genuinely believe in. Your audience can tell if you're being authentic or just chasing commissions. The more trust you build, the more successful you'll be. Alright, let's talk about my third idea, print on demand. This is an amazing business model where you sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and tote bags without having to hold any inventory. Here's how it works. You partner with a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. You upload your designs to their products. When someone buys a product, the platform prints it, ships it, and handles all the logistics. You earn a profit from the sale. Let's say you're good at creating fun, quirky designs. You could create a line of funny coffee mugs or motivational workout t-shirts. Once your store is set up, you promote it on social media, and every sale earns you passive income. What's amazing is you don't need a ton of money to start, just creativity and a willingness to learn. And platforms like Canva or Adobe Express make designing a breeze, even for beginners. A quick hack. Use trending topics to inspire your designs. For example, if a new meme or catchphrase is going viral, jump on it and create products that resonate with the moment. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Sean, these ideas sound great, but how do I actually make them work? Let me share a few golden tips. Start small, but start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist. Start with one product or one platform and learn as you go. Focus on quality. Whether it's your designs, content, or products, quality matters. It's what builds trust and gets you repeat customers. Be patient. Passive income doesn't mean instant income. It takes time to set up and grow, but once it's rolling, the results can be life-changing. Invest in learning, watch tutorials, read blogs, and join communities in your niche. The more you know, the more you grow. Let's take a step back and think about the bigger picture. Passive income isn't just about making money while you sleep, it's about freedom. It's about breaking away from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and creating something that works for you, not the other way around. Imagine having the flexibility to spend more time with family, travel, or even start new projects, all because your passive income streams are covering your bills and more. So, whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash or completely transform your financial future, these 3 ideas are powerful starting points. And the best part? They're accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort up front. Alright friends, that's it for today's video on earning money online while you sleep. We covered selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and print-on-demand stores, 3 strategies that are working right now in 2025. I hope you're feeling inspired to take action because that's where the magic happens. Don't just watch this video, go out there and make it happen. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Make Money with Sean, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more money-making tips. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know, which passive income idea are you going to try first? Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep hustling, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.